Hey, James from NatureSpy, and this is the new Wi-Fi WildCam 2. So this is our new version of our really popular Wi-Fi WildCam that sold out much faster than we anticipated in February. So since then we've been working really hard on this new version, and there's a host of new improvements over the last one as well. So as you can see, if you've seen the last one, it's a bit more of a compact style. We've completely redesigned the case, and we think that should make things a lot easier during usability. We've also got a silicone cover now with a little rain hood, so the idea is that I'll keep that British rain off, so it means you can keep your footage as clear as possible if it is raining. We've improved the Wi-Fi antenna, so it's got a brand new antenna internally, so it now means you can put the camera slightly further away than you used to from your home or Wi-Fi router and get better signal. We've also pre-installed a 32GB SD card in the base, so you'll be ready to go as soon as you get the camera paired up. We've got a new NatureSpy app, which is completely bespoke and designed to work with the camera. There's also two types of LEDs, so you've got infrared LEDs, which will give you black and white footage, that traditional kind of footage you'll see from wildlife cameras at night, but there's also colour LEDs in here built in. So if you want colour footage at night, you can do that, and you just change the option in the app directly as well, so you can switch that at any time you like. We also have an internal rechargeable battery. And this year we've got an optional solar panel as well, which you can use, and it plugs in the base here, just where you would recharge the batteries. So if you want to leave the camera for longer periods without recharging, and it's a bit greener as well, you can use the optional solar panel if you'd like to do so. It records in 2.7K quality. So it's not designed to replace higher-end trail cameras like the Browning Recon Force Elite HP5, but you can watch this live as long as this has got an internet connection and your phone has got an internet connection. You can watch this live from wherever you are. You can check motion alerts, and you can check recordings the camera's made that you may have missed remotely, completely remotely. So we really hope you like it. We've been working really hard on it. This is the NatureSpy WiFi WildCam 2.